Wings of Freedom. Lena lived in a small mountain village surrounded by trees and rivers. Every morning, she woke up early to help her parents in the field. She loved her family, but sometimes she felt trapped. Her days were always the same: work, eat, sleep. One evening, Lena sat near the river and watched birds flying in the sky. They moved freely, going wherever they wanted. She whispered to herself, "I wish I could be like them, free." A small bird landed near her and sang softly, as if answering her wish. The next day, Lena told her mother, "I want to see the world." Her mother smiled gently but said, "The world is big, my daughter. It can be hard." "I know," Lena replied, "but my heart feels heavy when I stay here." Her father listened quietly and nodded. "If this is your dream, follow it." Lena felt both happy and scared. She packed a small bag, said goodbye, and began her journey on foot. The road was long and dusty. Sometimes she met kind people who gave her food or water. At night, she slept under the stars and thought about her home. She missed her family, but she also felt something new: freedom. In one town, she found work in a small cafe. She served tea and coffee, and people liked her smile. One day, an old man sat at her table and said, "You look free, young lady." Lena smiled. "I'm learning what freedom means." The old man nodded. "Freedom is not only going far, it's choosing your own path." His words stayed in her heart for a long time. Years passed and Lena visited many places: the sea, the desert, and the city. She saw the world's beauty and also its sadness. One morning, she returned to her village. Her parents were older, but their eyes were full of love. Her mother asked, "Did you find what you were looking for?" Lena hugged her and said, "Yes, I found myself." She looked at the same mountains, but now they seemed different. They were not walls anymore. They were part of her story. That night, Lena sat by the river again. The same bird flew above her, singing its song. Lena smiled softly and whispered, "Freedom is not running away. It's learning to fly wherever you are." And under the quiet stars, she finally felt completely free.